How to fix Snap Recap not loading on Snapchat. Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. To find a Snap Recap, you can do so by clicking on the memory icon. If you don't know how, just launch Snapchat application. Over here in your left hand side, you will see a memory icon. Click on it. From here, you will see your 2024 Snap Recap. Now, if this is not available for you, there might be some of the bug or the glitch issue in your application. Or if you are new to your Snapchat, then that might be also the case why you don't have the Snapchat recap. To fix this issue, you can check out your phone settings. Navigate to the apps option and click on it. From here, you can check out the option of all apps and head over to search for Snapchat. Then click on Force Stop button and OK. Tap on Storage and Cache to tap on Clear Cache. Once you do this, next step is to check for an update. Open up your Play Store or App Store. Then tap on Search icon and search for Snapchat. Now over here, if you see an update button just like this, just click on it and leave your Snapchat application for an update. This will help you to get your Snap Recap on your Snapchat. However, as I mentioned, if you were new to your Snap, and that might be the case why you don't have a Snap Recap, as you must be at least a user for a year. Hopefully this video was informative and helpful to you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.